In these problems, we have some fractions with exponents in them, and then we're raising those fractions to another power. So exponents being raised to exponents plus division stuff going on here, so a lot of stuff to take care of. In this first one, we have 4x cubed over 3x to the 6th, all taken to the negative 2 power. And I think the first thing I would want to do here is deal with this negative part. When you have a fraction, what the negative power does is just flip the fraction upside down. So I could rewrite this as 3x to the 6th, so just taking what's on the bottom here and putting it on the top, and taking what's on the top and putting it on the bottom. And now this is to the positive second power. So all I did was take that negative and apply it, and it flips the fraction upside down. Now I think I'm going to take this second power and raise everything in here to the second power. So it needs to apply to the 3, to the x to the 6th, to the 4, and to the x to the 3rd. 3 to the second power, that's 3 squared, that's 9. X to the 6th to the second power, when you raise a power to a power, you multiply the exponents. So 6 times 2 is 12. This would be x to the 12th. Let's work on the bottom now. 4 to the second power would be 4 times 4, or 16. And x to the 3rd to the second power would be x to the 3 times 2, or 6th power. So far, so good. We can definitely do some more simplifying, however. So we have, well, 9 divided by 16. We can't really do anything more with that. But we have x to the 12th divided by x to the 6th. So this part is x to the 12 minus 6 power. When you divide, you subtract the exponents. So this can go away, leaving just x to the 6th up here. So if I rewrite that, I'd have 9x to the 6th over 16. And I think that's about as simple as you can make that one. All right, let's try this next one. We have a positive power out here, so I don't need to worry about flipping the fraction. And I think I'll just go ahead and start applying the second power. So let's apply the second power to the 3. 3 squared is 9. Apply the second power to the p to the 5th. That would be p to the 5 times 2, or p to the 10. And on the bottom, apply the second power to the 2. 2 squared is 4. And then apply that to the p to the negative 3rd, and we get p to the negative 6, because negative 3 times 2 is 6. Now 9 divided by 4, we can't simplify there, but p to the 10th divided by p to the negative 6 is p to the 10 minus a negative 6. Minus a negative is really a positive, so on top, this is going to go away, and on top we're going to get p to the 16th. So if I rewrite this, I'd have 9p to the 16th over 4. And that is as simple as we can make that one. So that is how to apply power rule, quotient rule with negative exponents.